Starting an online business can feel incredibly lonely sometimes, right? You're trying to figure everything out on your own, facing challenges, and maybe even feeling isolated. If you're a beginner entrepreneur feeling that struggle, it's time to stop struggling alone. There's a powerful, often overlooked resource waiting for you: online communities. This video reveals the incredible power of online communities for beginners and how they can pave the way to beginner success. Many new entrepreneurs try to be a lone wolf. They think they need to have all the answers themselves. But the journey is much easier, faster, and more rewarding when you connect with others who are on a similar path. This is where the power of online communities comes in, especially for those just starting out. Imagine having a place where you can ask any question, get genuine support, learn from others' mistakes and successes, and even find your very first customers. That's what effective online communities for beginners offer. They are hubs of shared knowledge, encouragement, and networking opportunities. Stop struggling alone and tap into this collective wisdom. Whether it's Facebook groups, dedicated forums, or platforms like Reddit, there are communities out there specifically for online business beginners. How do you leverage the power of online communities? It starts with finding the right ones relevant to your niche or industry. Then, actively participate. Don't just lurk. Ask thoughtful questions, share your own small wins or learnings, and genuinely offer help when you can. Networking online isn't just about finding clients. It's about building relationships, finding mentors, and gaining invaluable insights into online business strategy. Using online communities wisely is a game changer for new entrepreneurs. They provide the support, learning, and connections needed to navigate the early challenges and accelerate your path to beginner success. Ready to stop struggling alone and leverage the power of online communities for beginners? Check out my other videos for guides on finding the right online communities and maximizing their benefits for your online business.